Hi, I'm Isaac Fernald, the lead design for this year's Urban Concept vehicle. What we have here is the chassis for our vehicle, which we are just putting the finishing touches on. As you'll see later, once we have this chassis completed, we will be able to drop in our steering and drivetrain assemblies that will allow us to test our vehicle in a very quick and efficient manner. It will also allow us to make the necessary adjustments and changes to allow us to be as ready as possible for the competition. One of the things we've focused on working on and completing this far has been the manufacturing of all of our machine components. We have almost completed this stage of manufacturing, and this will allow us to very rapidly assemble our steering and drivetrain systems and put them onto our chassis to allow us to test very quickly and make improvements as necessary. We have most of the components, including our steering knuckles and some of the mounts for our steering system, completely machined, as well as the majority of the components for our drivetrain. This will allow us to use our already assembled wheel assemblies and attach them to our brake system and the chassis of the vehicle in a very short period of time and allow us to tweak and adjust as necessary. One of the major changes that we've made this year in regards to how we manage our projects is we have turned to Gantt chart software and physical project management systems such as this board up here, which gives us a way to visualize all the tasks that we need to complete, when we need to complete them, and to determine whether or not they are completed. And this gives us a good picture of how we need to fit everything together and when we need to get tasks done in order to complete the vehicle in time and to give us enough time to test it and make improvements as needed.
On the Urban Concept, we have ready the 2 kilowatt cell system and the motor control. Right here you can see the hydrogen relay that is normally closed, so in absence of power there's no hydrogen flow to the cell. And there is a purge valve. And then further down the line, this is our safety contactor, and that will shut off when an emergency stop is pressed. And this is the motor. Seth. So it all works good, and then as far as changes that we're planning on making for the emergency stop system, we're going to have to add a relay that will interrupt power here. And here at the DC to DC converter. And interrupting power here will shut this whole system off and open the contactor. Opening the power here will shut this whole system off and open this valve.
I'm Seth Schneider. I'm the head of the accessory system for the Urban Concept project. So right here I've laid out a very basic accessory system that I can put into the car if need be. And I am aware that it does look like a bit of a rat's nest, but when it comes to actually installing it in the car, I am aware of all the rules of neat wiring and organization. So fret not. So right here I have a fuse on the battery to ensure that nothing, for safety reasons. So I'm going to turn that on. And right here we have the windshield wiper. And right here we have the headlights and running lights. And then we have the horn. We also have blinkers. And of course, the other side as well. Of course, the hazards. So, of course, one more thing. Brake lights, I almost forgot. But here we have a switch that we're going to attach next to the brake pedal, in which it will push down this lever and turn on the brake lights. So, there you have it.